Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Braun Thermoscan Ear Thermometer. I'll be going over how to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. It's actually a really simple process. As you can see right here, this is the Braun Thermoscan Ear Thermometer. It's really easy to use. There are a few variations of it, but this one has a very simple 2-button design. You can see there's a power button right here, and there is the temperature reading button right here. Now to use it, it's simple. You turn it on and you click this to read the temperature. But I know you're wondering, how do you change from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa? Because when you turn it on, you can see both options there on the screen, okay? So I'm going to turn it back off and I'm going to show you how to switch between the two measurements. You're going to press and hold down the power button, and you're going to continue holding it down until you see the options pop up. When you see the option that you want, whether it's Celsius or Fahrenheit, you're going to release the power button. So check this out. Press and hold down the power button. Okay, you can see right now all the screen options come on, and then it says Fahrenheit. Let's say I wanted it to be Celsius. There it is. I would release it, and it's now at Celsius. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off, and then we're going to try one more time. We're going to switch to Fahrenheit. Okay, press and hold down the power button. You're going to hold it through this screen. Okay, continue holding it down, and Fahrenheit, I release it. Now we're at Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. We're going to demonstrate one more time. Let's say, turn it off, sorry about that, I've got to hold it for a bit longer. Let's say I wanted to switch back to Celsius, right? Press and hold it down through this screen, I'm still holding it, and then we're going to see Fahrenheit, okay, and Celsius, release it. Now we're back at Celsius. That's it. That is literally how easy it is to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Really easy and simple process. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.